Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm here with a sewing project that I want to share with you guys. For those of you who haven't watched my last videos, I have been going to the fabric store as well as starting to teach myself how to sew. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I used. Let's see, you guys saw that on one of my haul videos. I purchased this fabric from M&L fabric store in Anaheim. So I picked up this, and then I believe I got this from there as well. And then this, I had these fat quarters. It came in a pack, and I got this from not Hobby Lobby, Joann's years ago, and I'm so glad that I was able to save it and didn't get rid of it. But got this years. I think this is older than my youngest daughter, who is going to be 9 this year. So these are the fabrics that I use, and what I did was I attempted to make some pouches, and the link will be down below to the video that I watched, and it was super easy. There are some parts where I got frustrated because, you know, I'm a new sewer and I've never sewn a bag before, anything other than paper. So I'm going to show you what I did. So let me just put this to the side. So the first one I made was this. It's not perfect, but I see, like right here, but I did follow the tutorial and it was pretty easy. But this is the one that I did. I used a black zipper. Here's the other side if you guys want to dissect it. And I just wanted to say thank you for all those who commented saying that I've inspired them to pull out their sewing machine. I know a lot of you have sewing machines and have not used them, and they're still in the box. And if I can do it, ladies, you guys can do it. I have zero patience, but this was actually so much fun, and I'm having a blast learning new tricks and learning how to sew. So I bought the black zipper from Joann, and this is the fabric that I purchased. And then my last downtown LA haul, I had purchased this from the bead factory, and it is a panda what do you call that, bell. And what do you know, it's perfect for this. So I used it as a zipper pull, and I just put a jump ring on it, and that's super cute. So inside I have a coordinating, well, not coordinating, but I use a different type of liner just to make, you know, make it look different. And I lined it with this fabric. Where did I get this from? I think I got this from Joann's. But I lined it with this chevron type fabric here. And this is what the inside looks like. So this is one, and it zips, thank goodness. And then the second one that I did make is this one. And this one seems a little bit, it's the same tutorial, but it seems a little bit like just a smudge bigger, only because I cut down this one more than I did this one. So look at how cute, and I love this fabric. It's so sparkly. And then I used a coordinating zipper. And then from the dollar store that I went to on one of my videos, I just put it on here and using it as a zipper pull because it matched perfectly. Then when you open it up, I have this coordinating liner. Look at how cute. It's pink and white polka dots. So there's that one. And then the last one I used, which one did I use? I used this fabric from this fat quarter and this one. So I used these two from this pack. And it, see you guys, like the fabric doesn't have to match. See, like they're the same color scheme, but they're just different patterns. So, and it's in the inside, So it came out perfect, and I made this one. Look at how cute. I am in love with this one. And then this is just a tassel, and I just put it on a little lobster clasp for the zipper pull. And this is what I purchased a while back from one of my Tuesday morning hauls, and I just added that. And look at how cute. And then the inside liner is, like I said, this fabric, and it's the same coordinating colors, and they go perfect. Isn't that so cute? So I am going to gift these. The ones you're gonna see a lot of sewing projects in the near future, you guys, because I've just been having a blast watching videos and learning how to sew, and I'm starting off easy, watching easy tutorials. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For those of you ladies who say you can't do it, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. It's just watch videos, but I suggest the first thing is to learn your machine. Learn your machine first before you start to start sewing, so that way you know what to do. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope everybody is having a great week. And I shall talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.